Woke up tense, mind racing, energy already low? This 5-minute stretch will reset your nervous system, unlock tension, and leave you lighter, especially the last stretch. Don't miss it. Come to your knees, big toes together, knees wide. Reach your arms forward, forehead to the mat, and sink your hips back as far as they will go. This is your reset button. It tells your body, you're safe. You can breathe now. I promise this one pose can calm your nervous system, stretch the lower back, and set the tone for your entire day. Beginners, rest your forehead on a pillow or block. Advanced stretches, walk your fingers even further forward and press your palms into the mat. Just 60 seconds in this pose reduces cortisol levels. Sink deeper. Just 5 more seconds. Are your hips touching your heels yet? If not, don't force it. Your body will open with consistency. That just grounded your nervous system. Now let's gently rise and open. Lie on your belly, elbows under your shoulders, forearms flat. Press gently into your palms and lift your chest. This is your chance to undo all that slouching from phones, laptops, and life. It may not look like much, but what it's doing under the surface is powerful. I promise this move gently restores your spinal curve and brings blood flow into areas that often get forgotten. Beginners, keep your hips heavy and relax your glutes. Advanced stretches, try lifting your elbows slightly for a deeper stretch. The SPHINX activates your parasympathetic nervous system, aka your rest and digest state. Breathe into your belly. Hold 5 more seconds. Do you feel a slight pull in your lower back or a stretch in your abs? That's exactly where the magic is happening. That just opened your spine. Now we're moving into the hips. Lie flat on your back. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fold out wide. Arms can be by your side or over your head. This is one of the most underrated stretches for hip release and deep rest. It looks passive, but it's incredibly active internally. I promise this pose will help with tight hips, menstrual cramps, and even emotional release. Beginners, place blocks or pillows under your knees. Advanced stretches, gently press your knees toward the floor as you exhale. Did you know that your hips are where your body stores emotion? This stretch literally helps you let go. Stay here, relax the growing muscles for 5 more seconds. Are you clenching your glutes or holding your breath? If so, try softening your belly. That just unlocked your pelvis. Now let's cradle the spine. Sit tall, extend your left leg out, hug your right knee into your chest. Keep your spine straight, switch after 30 seconds. This one's simple, but it hits deep. This stretch comforts the lumbar spine and taps into an emotional feeling of being supported. I promise this will relieve pressure in your lower back immediately, especially if you've been waking up stiff or achy. Beginners, sit on a cushion or folded blanket. Advanced stretches, lift your chest tall and draw your knee tighter. Most lower back pain is rooted in tight glutes or hips. This helps both. Pull the knee closer, just 5 more seconds. Does one side feel tighter? That imbalance is a clue. Pay attention to it. That just softened your spine. Let's finish with the full body release. Stand up, take a wide stance, toes slightly in. Inhale, then fold forward, reaching toward the floor or your ankles. Let your head hang. Let gravity do the work. This move decompresses the spine, stretches the hamstrings, and flushes your entire nervous system with calm energy. I promise this will leave you feeling longer, lighter, and more centered. Beginners, bend your knees slightly and rest your hands on your thighs. Advanced stretches, try reaching behind your ankles or placing your palms on the floor. This stretch stimulates the vagus nerve, a key player in stress reduction. Just 5 more seconds. Can you breathe deeper into your hamstrings? Do you feel the stretch in your calves too? That's a bonus release for anyone who's been on their feet. You didn't just stretch, you shifted something. Your spine is longer, your breath is deeper, your mind is clearer, and that calm you feel, you created it. But if your day pulls you back into screens, stress, and stillness, this shift won't hold on its own. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your body aligned, energized, and pain-free long after this video ends. Tap the link now before you lose the rhythm you just created. You're ready in motion. Let's stay in it together.